Well, I'm back at it. Got my oil pickup here, my high performance oil pickup, bent so that this sits very close to the pan, about 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch away. These are getting rusty. And my buddy's here, so I'll go ahead and put this nice oil pan on and go from there. Alright guys, talk to you in a bit. Take another video. Well, it's about time. Hopefully I'll have these videos loaded tonight. Black RTV. Clean up the whole surface, everything's nice and clean. I'm going to put some black RTV here, here, and on this crack right here. So, let's see. Spots are done. And that's done. And you gotta put the cap on. Always replace the cap. Now, gotta put these gloves on. And what I'm doing now is just clean the surface up a little bit. Okay, surface is nice and clean. Now I got the gasket here. Oh, beer. And I'll take the gasket and I'm going to load it up with some grease. Helps it seal. Yep. Loading her up with some grease. Helps it seal a little bit better. Just some nice axle grease. Oh yeah. Load that thing up, getting a text message or something in. Cool. Well, now that it's all greased up, go ahead and put this gasket on. Stupid bugs. There we go. Gotta take your gloves off. If I can. There it goes. Okay. Now it's all greased up and ready to go. Yep. Grease every gasket, that way it's easier to come off. For the moment of truth, guys. Alright. Cool. Here's that. Now, place the cap. Thread sealant for all those. So, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Go ahead and put some of these bolts in. And go from there. Looking more and more like a motor. Now I just need my jugs. That looks pretty nice, huh? I like the way that looks. Looks good. Well, actually, technically it's supposed to be like this. Alright guys, you'll see this in my car someday. See ya.